how to turn on or turn off reminder in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Customization Service. After click on Customization Service, so scroll down and you will see search reminder from here. You will see reminder is here. If you want to turn on or turn off reminder in customize app, so if you want to turn off reminder, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see reminder is turn off on customize app. If you want to turn on reminder, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see reminder is turn on customized app. You will turn on or turn off reminders from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off reminder in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.